How do you feel about the weather today?
It makes me want to sit by the window and read.
What kind of music lifts your mood?
I usually go for soft jazz when I need comfort.
Where would you like to travel next?
I've been dreaming of the Scottish Highlands lately.
What's your favorite way to spend a quiet afternoon?
I love sketching people in cafes like this one.
How do you usually start your mornings?
I brew coffee and write in my journal for a bit.
What inspires you to keep going on tough days?
I think about the people who believe in me.
What's something small that made you smile today?
A child waved at me from across the street.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I take a walk and let my thoughts settle.
What kind of books do you enjoy most?
I'm drawn to stories that explore human emotions deeply.
What's a memory that always brings you peace?
Watching the sunrise with my grandfather years ago,
How do you stay motivated when you feel stuck?
I remind myself that progress isn't always visible.
What's your favorite season and why?
Autumn feels like poetry to me, quiet and colorful.
What's something you've learned recently?
I realized how powerful silence can be in a conversation.
How do you usually celebrate your achievements?
I treat myself to a solo dinner at my favorite spot.
What's a dish that reminds you of home?
My mother's lentil soup always brings back warm memories.
What kind of art speaks to you most?
I'm moved by abstract pieces that leave room for interpretation.
What's your go-to comfort activity?
I wrap myself in a blanket and watch old films.
How do you handle moments of doubt?
I write down my fears and challenge them one by one.
What's a place that makes you feel safe?
There's a quiet library near my house that feels like a sanctuary.
What's something you admire in others?
I admire people who listen without interrupting.
How do you recharge your energy?
I spend time alone in nature, even if just for an hour.
What's a scent that brings back memories?
Freshly baked bread reminds me of my childhood kitchen.
What's your favorite way to connect with friends?
I love long walks where we talk about everything and nothing.
What's something you're grateful for today?
I'm grateful for this peaceful moment with you.
How do you express your creativity?
I write short stories based on people I observe.
What's a skill you'd love to learn?
I've always wanted to play the cello.
What's your favorite kind of morning light?
Golden light that filters through trees feels magical.
What's something you've never told anyone?
I sometimes write letters I never send.
How do you define happiness?
It's the feeling of being fully present and accepted.
What's a sound that calms you instantly?
The rustling of leaves in the wind soothes me.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day?
I sit by the window with tea and let my thoughts wander.
What's something you wish people asked you more often?
I wish they asked what truly matters to me.
How do you deal with change?
I try to embrace it as a chance to grow.
What's a dream you've held on to for years?
I've always wanted to open a small bookstore cafe,
What's your favorite kind of laughter?
the kind that surprises you and makes your stomach ache.
What's something you find beautiful in everyday life?
The way strangers smile at each other in passing.
How do you show kindness to yourself?
I forgive myself for not being perfect.
What's a moment you wish you could relive?
The first time I saw the ocean, it felt endless.
What's your favorite way to spend time alone?
I like wandering through quiet neighborhoods with no destination.
What's something that makes you feel alive?
Creating something from scratch gives me that spark.
How do you handle disappointment?
I let myself feel it fully, then move forward slowly.
What's a tradition you cherish?
Every winter, I write a letter to my future self.
What's your favorite kind of silence?
The silence between two people who understand each other.
What's something you've always wanted to say?
I wish more people knew how much they matter.
How do you celebrate small wins?
I light a candle and reflect on the effort it took.
What's a color that makes you feel calm?
Soft blue reminds me of peaceful skies.
What's something you've learned from a stranger?
A cab driver once told me, joy is a choice.
How do you stay grounded?
I focus on my breath and remind myself I'm here.
What's a song that feels like home?
There's an old folk tune my dad used to hum.
What's your favorite kind of conversation?
The ones that go deep without trying too hard.
What's something you've forgiven yourself for?
I've forgiven myself for not always being brave.
How do you find clarity?
I write until the noise in my head quiets down.
What's a place you'd love to visit again?
I miss the quiet streets of Kyoto in spring.
What's something you admire about yourself?
I think I'm good at making people feel seen.
How do you handle being misunderstood?
I try to explain gently, but I also let go when needed.
What's a moment that changed you?
Losing someone I love taught me how to cherish time.
What's your favorite kind of daydream?
I imagine living in a cabin surrounded by trees.
What's something you wish people noticed more?
The effort behind someone's smile.
How do you stay hopeful?
I look for beauty in small things, like sunlight on a table.
What's a habit that helps you stay balanced?
I stretch every morning and drink water before speaking.
What's something you've never regretted?
Taking time to listen to someone who needed it.
What's your favorite way to learn?
I learn best through stories and personal experiences.
What's a compliment that stayed with you?
Someone once told me I make silence feel safe.
How do you deal with uncertainty?
I remind myself that not knowing is part of the journey.
What's something you'd love to create?
A mural that tells a story of resilience.
What's your favorite kind of surprise?
The kind that comes with a handwritten note.
What's something you've let go of recently?
I let go of the need to always be right.
How do you nurture your relationships?
I check in often and listen with my whole heart.
What's a lesson you learned the hard way?
Not everyone who leaves is meant to stay.
What's your favorite kind of morning?
One where I wake up slowly and hear birds outside.
What's something you're proud of?
I'm proud of how far I've come emotionally.
How do you stay present?
I focus on the sensations around me. Sounds, textures, light.
What's a story you love to tell?
The time I got lost and found a hidden garden.
What's something you've never tried but want to?
Pottery seems like a peaceful challenge.
How do you express love?
I write notes and remember the little things.